change is the weather condition prevailing in the area or over a long period of time. Climate change happens due to increasing level of atmospheric carbon dioxide by the use of fossil fuels. Not the only gases that contribute to the changes of climate. It also includes water vapor, methane, nitrous oxide, and other different fluorocarbons. Climate scientists believe that due to the human expansion of greenhouse effect is the main cause of the current global warming trend. It is rampant nowadays because of having a lot of factories and industries that have machines. It is also experiencing not just once or two, but more than three countries around the world. But as a doer and thinker, we should think of a way to prevent this more getting serious. We can help to reduce the demand of fossil fuels, which in turn reduces global warming by using energy most wisely. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Buying products with minimal packaging will help us to reduce waste. Reusing the materials that is environmental friendly will help to lessen decaying products. By recycling half of our household waste, you can save 2,400 tons of carbon dioxide annually. Less energy use means less dependence on the fossil fuels that create greenhouse gases and contribute to global warming. And that is for our short information vlog for today. This is Lovely Going Guy and this is Lycomé Flores from UMSA. For more information or questions, just comment and please don't forget to subscribe.